Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn on your keyboard light in MacBook Air. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the settings. So as you can see, I'm going to open the settings here, and then simply we need to click on the keyboard, and after clicking on the keyboard, simply we have to close this one. As you can see, option adjust keyboard brightness in low light. So you have to click on this, and after clicking on this you have to inactivate, and then simply we need to close this one. And after closing this, on your keyboard you have two keys. For F6 you have to press the F6 for increasing your lightness, or if you want to decrease the light, then simply you have to press the F5. As you can see, light will be decreased like this is not the brightness of your screen, this is the lighting of the keyboard. So if you press the F6, the lighting of the keyboard will be increased, and if you press the F5, the lighting will be decreased again. So as you can see, I'm going to decreasing this light again. And if you want to increase the brightness, then simply you have to press the F2 for increasing the lightness and F1 for decreasing the lightness. So as you can see, in this way you can do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.